Today there are many tools available for designers to build different things and present it with the clients or different stakeholders, right? So the when we talk about fundamentals is that you use anything. You use Photoshop, you use Illustrator, you use Sketch, you use Figma. There are a lot of similarities in them. In all of them you can create shapes. In all of them you can create text layers. In all of them you can tweak the sizes, do all those things. So there are similarities. You can organize layers, you can group them, right? But it is very important for us, for you, to understand all those fundamental aspects, so that tomorrow if the new tool comes in the industry, you won't wonder that, okay, will I be able to use that tool or not? No. Any tool comes, the fundamentals are same. You can create shapes, you can create text, all those things are similar, very similar, right? They are already only being optimized for different contexts and different use cases. For example, for Photoshop, you want to manipulate with the photos. So all those things are, contextually optimized for that intent. When you talk about Figma, when you talk about XD and all, they are optimized for you to create UI elements on the screen. So you really need to learn those fundamentals really, really well and build it as your muscle memory. So that you should not think about, okay, how to create a shape or how to create certain design elements. That should be your muscle memory, so that when you are doing UX design, you can focus on solving the problems, ideating on the problems, and executing on it in a refined manner. So that how do I do it is not a question anymore for you. That's why learning the tool fundamentals is very, very important.